Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Clorox Toilet Wand. Simply pull out the wand, insert it inside of one of the pads, take the wand, lift up the toilet seat, soak it in the water, all the way into the water, and then scrub around the bowl on the sides. If it becomes too dry, dip it back into the water. Make sure you get underneath the lip of the toilet seat. Scrub it around. And if you want it to disinfect, scrub it this way and let it sit for 10 minutes before flushing. But if you don't want to, just scrub the toilet, drain the water from it, and then dispose of the pad in the trash. Then, flush the toilet. Make sure all of the suds go away. Rinse out the end of the toilet wand with the clean water. Shut the lid and replace the toilet wand. Let me know if you have any questions.